Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to configure PPPOE subscriber simulation from IXIA. On the screen, as you can see, I have an IXIA web browser network connection. So first things first, I just click on Add Topology. Under Access Technology, I chose the PPPOE clients. I chose the port that I want to use for my DUT communication. And when I click on New, as you can see that the topology is formed. So I just expand the view here. So the key part here is first I want 5 subscribers to be simulated. So I give multiplier of 5. Under Ethernet, the key part is I want to enable VLANs. So I just first enable VLANs. This is mainly for SVLAN and CVLAN configurations. Once the VLANs are enabled, the number of VLAN count is important. So 2, there's an SVLAN and an inner VLAN. So once this is set under VLAN 1, the outer VLAN, or with the SVLAN we call it, so I just start to set a value of increment to 200. So it is forming 200 to 204. Likewise for the inner VLAN, I increment the values from 400 to 404. Just waiting for it to get updated. There you go. No other changes required on the Ethernet part of it. Now if I go to PPPoE client, the first column or the first block, you really don't need much changes. The TX RX speeds can be used for negotiation, but in this case the radius is giving the details of the speed for subscribers. Hence this is not something we are worried about. Now under PPPoE, what we can definitely enable is enable redial attempts. So if subscribers were to get disconnected, they can get reconnected constantly. So the timeouts are all left to defaults. Under LCP, we just again enable keep alives so that there's a constant communication between the IXIA and the DUT. No other values are changed here also as well. MRU negotiation is not something we are keenly focusing here about. MLPPP is not something we are using here, so no changes to that column. Now if I go to NCP, obviously the network control protocol details are all learned information, so we just keep as it is default. No changes to this value here. This is just displayed as a default. Now authentication becomes the key part here. So first we choose the authentication type that we need, which is CHAP in this case. For my username, I have a pattern to match on, so I just use a string pattern. So the user test that I'm using is RAM. I open up a bracket, increment each user with a value of 1. So the idea here is I have RAM 1, RAM 2, RAM 3, RAM 4, RAM 5. So that's what I'm using with the pattern. Now for the password, I just say a single value. All of them have the same value. It's set to test123, as you can see here. IPCP extensions, we don't do much. We just leave it as it is. I've just set some DNS values here, which is of course something that is popping up as default. If you want, you can change it. No other changes required on any other parts. Now if you just start it, we will check if the protocol and the topology comes up. So it's downloading the package. There you go, the Ethernet has come up and all the PPPoE subscribers have come up. Now if I check on the subscribers, show subscribers. Sorry, I'm logged into the wrong box, so let me just go to the right box here. There you go. I have all the subscribers there, the 5 subscribers, the 5 users, and the TMUX and the PPPoE. So it's confirming that this is a PPPoE subscriber. Hope this was useful. Bye for now.